going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com. I gotta tell you, this app Pogo that I've been using, it is basically just like free passive income that I'm getting. It's an app that's going to give you points for everything that you purchase on your debit card. All right, all you gotta do is go in here and just claim the points. It is that simple. I'm gonna show you how it works. I'm gonna cash out all this stuff. So you see me, I'm just clicking claim. Like I said, it's going to give you points on all the things you purchase. So you're going to have to hook your debit card up. I'll show you how to do that as well. But again, just click and claim. There, right there, I got 3,223 points total. You can also scan receipts, email receipts, points for things you get on Amazon. So you just take a picture of your receipt right there. Every receipt that you take a picture of is 1 cent. So I'll let this go into my balance. I got 10 points for that. I'm going to close this out, go to the home page, go down here to accounts. You can also take surveys, and they give you lots of different things you can do on this, but you can do surveys. You get discounts for shopping at Walmart. If you click on accounts here, that's how you hook up your debit card so it knows what you made in your purchases. So now I'm going to go cash out. You need a minimum of $3 in order to cash out. You can do gift cards or PayPal. Always choose PayPal, and I like it because they send you the money instantly. It does not take long for you to get the money. So now I'm going to go into my PayPal account and just show you that it's there. Just wait for it to load real quick. And right there it is, $3.03. So you get paid instantly. It's going to pay you for all the things you purchase. All you have to do is hook your debit card up to it so it can just track your purchases and stuff like that. And just go in there and claim the points, whenever you made purchases, like every few days or so. You don't even have to use it every day. Just every few days, go in there and claim your points. Cash out instantly into your PayPal to get gift cards. So I'll leave the link to download this app in the description. It is completely free. Sign up today, and always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.